Take a look at this channel, The Growth Paradox. They've been going viral, making motivational content paired with anime visuals. This simple strategy has allowed them to rack up over 9 million views, and when we look at their oldest video, we can see it's only taken them 9 months to achieve these results. Now, I'm going to show you how to copy this channel using just one AI tool that can automate the entire process. Alright guys, come over to Hypernatural AI and you could go ahead and sign in for free. And then once you're over here, we're going to go ahead and start making our video. So right here is where you can just give it an idea and it'll come up with the whole entire script for you, or you can paste in your own script however you want to do it. I'm going to go ahead and paste in my own script, so I'll show you that right now. I'm just going to come over to Gemini and I'm going to place this prompt in here on Gemini and I'm going to send it through, and then it's going to give me an entire speech that we can use for our video. I'll just copy this entire script that it's given me, and we're going to come back over to Hypernatural, and when we're over here we can go ahead and put in our script. So if you click on this plus button right here, you can start with all these different things. You can start with an audio clip or a video clip, or you could just start with the script for voiceover. So I'll click on voiceover right here, and I'm going to paste in the script right there. Now here is where you can change all these different styles. So you can go through these styles and check out which one you want to use. There's graffiti, there's fantasy, comic books, but I'm going to go with anime because we're going to be copying that channel, and that channel uses anime clips. So we'll click on anime. They use anime clips and then they pair that voiceover over top of it, and that's how they make it. Once you choose your style, which is anime, then you could choose the length of the video. So here you can see that you can make YouTube shorts if you'd like, or you can make like regular videos 2 to 10 minutes long, but you could even make a long form video that's longer than 10 minutes. That's going to earn you a lot more money from the AdSense, because the longer the video, the more ads that YouTube will show. But for the example right now, we're going to click on classic, because I'm going to go with the classic 2 to 10 minute type of video. And of course, for the aspect ratio, I'll keep it on 16:9. I'm not going to be making a YouTube shorts, but if you are, you're going to do 9:16. And I'm going to go ahead and click this arrow right here to send it through. I want to show you something very important, guys, where it says character right here. You can choose from all these different characters that they've already had pre-built, but what I'm going to do is click on new, create a character, and I'm just going to name it. I'll just go with Web TV. And for the bio, you could put whatever you want in there. I'm just going to put something generic like anime character, and then you can upload your image right here. So I'm going to upload this character that I created for this video. And now Hypernatural is going to know that this is our character, and it's going to create the entire video using our character throughout the entire video. So it's going to keep a consistent character, which is extremely important. So I'll click on generate. Now here you could see the details of your character, and it's automatically going to fill all this out. Now if you want to make any changes to it, you can, but I'm just going to go ahead and click on save. And now that we have our character, I can click on make video right here, and that's all you have to do. And it's going to generate the entire video for us. So as you can see already, we're getting these consistent character images and a whole consistent theme for the anime background. It's basically made us a video exactly like the Growth Paradox channel. Now, as you can see, it's finished generating the video. Over on the left-hand side is all of these different options that we can do to change up the video if we want. But I just want to get a quick little preview just without doing anything. I just want to see what Hypernatural has created. So I'm just going to click on play right here.
All right, listen up. I know where you're at right now. I see it. You're sitting there, maybe staring at the wall, maybe staring at nothing at all. You feel empty. You feel broken. You feel like every ounce of hope got squeezed out of you, like there's nothing left but dust. The world feels heavy, crushing. You think about giving up, don't you? You think it'd be easier just to fold, to quit, stop. Right there. That thought, that's a lie. A damn dirty lie your own head is trying to feed you, and you're not going to swallow it. Not today, not ever. Giving up?
It's already looking really good. Now, what you can do from here just to make this video so much better is if you click on one of these images. So let's just say that this image right here is kind of out of place. What you can do is click on this button with the arrows, and we can click on generate new, or we can browse through their library of different videos and images that they have. But to keep it in the anime style, I'm just going to click on generate new to see what it comes up with. And then we can click on generate, or we can change the prompt right here. So we can click on replace current, and there it's created a new image for us. It's that simple. And now what we can do is we can actually animate these. So as you can see, we have our consistent character, but we could take it one step further. We can click on this button right here, and we'll be able to animate this image. So let's click on animate right now, and I'll show you just by animating these clips how much better this video is going to turn out. It's going to be amazing. Okay guys, now it's finished animating that clip, so let's go ahead and take a look at it. We'll click play.
Right, listen up. I know where you're at right now. I see it.
So
You're
as you
sitting
can
there.
see, it's providing motion, and it actually looks really good. I'm going to go through and animate some more of these clips. Now for a tip for you guys, what I would do when you go to animate these is click on animate and then move over to the next clip and click on animate. While it's generating that animation, you can animate the rest of them, so you could save time by animating all of these at the same exact time. Now it's generated all the animations in the clips, and I just want to show you a couple more things. So over here on the caption style, if we click on that, you'll see how easy it is to change all of these captions. And of course, all the captions were generated automatically. So you could change the location of where you want these captions to show up and everything by coming over here to advanced settings. And here's where you can change the font, and you could change where it's going to show up in the outline and all of that different stuff. So just choose whichever one you want. Like I said, I want to keep mine in the middle because that's how the growth paradox, that's how they do their captions on all their videos. They have them going across the middle of the video just like that. Now, the next really important part to this video is I'm going to click on audio, and I'm going to choose this mysterious soundtrack. Now, if you guys are looking for where you can find some music for your videos that's copyright free, I would just recommend using the YouTube Studio and just finding a free song on there. And now that I've added that in, I could play this video now and you'll be able to see what it sounds like. And also right here, you might have to adjust the sound, the settings. So the voiceover or the audio, depending on how loud it sounds, you might want to turn your audio down. So we'll start it from the beginning and we'll check this video out.
Listen up. I know where you're at right now. I see it. You're sitting there, maybe staring at the wall, maybe staring at nothing at all. You feel empty. You feel broken. You feel like every ounce of hope got squeezed out of you, like there's nothing left but dust. The world feels heavy, crushing. You think about giving up, don't you? You think it'd be easier just to fold, to quit, stop. Right there. That thought, that's a lie. A damn dirty lie your own head is trying to feed you, and you're not going to swallow it. Not today, not ever. Giving up? That's not an option for you. Not while you've still got breath in your lungs. Not while there's still a flicker, even the faintest ember of defiance left in your soul. You think this is the end? Nah. This is just the warm-up. This is where you find out what you're really made of. You've been knocked down. So what? The ground is a temporary place, not a permanent address. And here's the thing. Nobody, absolutely nobody, is coming to pick you up. Not really. Oh, they might offer a hand, a kind word. But the real work, the real heavy lifting, that's on you. It's always been on you. You gotta trust yourself, man. I know you probably don't right now. You're looking in the mirror and seeing something you don't recognize, something weak, something defeated. But that's just the fog of this slump talking. Deep down, you've got fire. You've got grit. You've got a will that can bend, but it will not break. You've faced tough shit before, haven't you? And you got through it. You found a way. That same damn strength is still inside you, waiting for you to unleash it. Stop listening to that voice telling you you're worthless. It's wrong. You're a force, even if you can't feel it right now. And what about when your back is against the wall? You know that feeling, right? Cornered, trapped, nowhere to go. Most people crumble there. Most people just lay down and take it. But not you. Not today. When your back is against the wall, that's not the end. That's the signal. That's the damn bell ringing to tell you it's time to fight. It's time to stop thinking, stop feeling sorry for yourself, and start acting. All that pain, all that anger, all that frustration, don't let it consume you. Let it fuel you. Let it ignite something fierce inside you. You're not going to be a victim. You're not going to just roll over. You're going to fight. You're going to claw your way out. You're going to punch through that wall. It doesn't have to be a grand gesture, just one step, one small, agonizing step. Get out of that bed, get dressed, take a shower, go outside, take a walk. Do one thing that your defeated mind says you can't, and then do another.
So as you can see, the video turned out amazing. Hypernatural AI is going to give you a great quality video, and you're going to be able to create a consistent character in your videos, and you'll be able to start an entire channel and automate the entire channel with just this one AI tool. Make sure you guys check them out. I'll have the link in the description, and also I'll put it in the pinned comment so you guys can find it easily. Just click on that Hypernatural AI link, and you guys go check it out, and you can start your own automated faceless channel the most easiest, simplest way. And yeah, I will see you guys in the next video. Peace.